Hello, my name is Jordan Clark. I'm the manager of the Oil, Gas, and Salt Resources Library, a facility dedicated to enabling Paleozoic bedrock exploration in Ontario. We archive data and rock samples for thousands of locations across Ontario that you can access to start exploring and building your projects today. The Oil, Gas, and Salt Resources Library manages data and organizes research on boreholes drilled in Ontario licensed under the Oil, Gas, and Salt Resources Act. This includes oil and natural gas wells, but many other types of boreholes as well, such as salt solution mining wells, injection wells, disposal wells, deep stratigraphic tests, and storage wells for natural gas, liquefied petroleum products, and compressed air energy. The library receives rock chip samples, rock core, geophysical logs, geological and engineering data from these borings drilled in Ontario. This material is processed at the library and made available for viewing. These materials can be viewed at the facility as well as online. Information from nearly 27,000 borings, all drilled in Ontario's Paleozoic bedrock, can be accessed in the library catalogue. The well files are available in a standardized text format and as a complete scan of the original file. Data from these wells includes geological formation top picks, fluid zones, production records, porosity and permeability data, engineering data, and plugging records. Some of this data may be enhanced by the library and provided to our members as a database, such as 500,000 monthly fluid production reports and 50,000 porosity and permeability measurements taken from 500 borings. We archive many rock samples from across Ontario. Nearly 11,000 wells have a set of cuttings at the library. Cuttings are rock chips collected at 3-meter intervals during drilling. These cuttings are available for viewing and testing in the library. Over 200 sample trays and thousands of microscope photos from 100 key wells are available for viewing online for desktop researchers. 1,200 cores from over 1,000 borings are also available for study. A complete set of photos, including dry, wet, and ultraviolet fluorescence, are available for over 300 wells to help refine your search remotely. Deep formations such as the Cambrian have the fewest wells, about 900 in the Cambrian. Still, geological data, chip samples, geophysical logs, and rock cores are available for study and characterization of these deep bedrocks. Over 80 rock cores in different locations are available to help you study the Cambrian, and that many plus half are available for the slightly shallower rocks of the Ordovician Carbonate. Staff at the library are available to help you find the right data for your project. We are constantly improving and making more data available with the support of our members and project partners. For example, the library is using its data to help create a 3D lithostratigraphic model for all of Southern Ontario that is available as a free release from the Geological Survey of Canada and Ontario Geological Survey, with further updates and refinements to this model just being released. To immerse subsurface explorers in the model even more, virtual reality experiences and 3D prints of the model were created and can be created for any area. If you are considering starting a research project into the Cambrian or any other Paleozoic bedrock layer in Ontario, the data and physical rocks held at the library can help you get started nearly instantly at very low cost. Some things you can do right after this workshop ends to start exploring Southern Ontario's Cambrian geology, and these links will be on our Twitter at twitter.com/OGSR Library. Number 1. Download the 3D lithostratigraphic model of Southern Ontario. 2. Watch past conference talks highlighting resources of the subsurface and our virtual reality tour of the model. Headset is not required, but is a fun experience for those who have one. 3. Sign up for a free website trial and explore our database. Go to ogsrlibrary.com/free and use the code EXPLORE, or sign up to our monthly industry drilling activity newsletter with a code for a longer trial period. www.ogsrlibrary.com/newsletter. 4. Download Google Earth overlays from OGSR Library and from the OGS Earth website. 5. Visit the library in person to view cores and cuttings from relevant borings. Thank you for your time, and please enjoy the remainder of the workshop.